Hey guys! Today Addie's gonna make us dinner, so join us. Every plate cuts out stressful meal planning and prepping so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in just about 30 minutes. It's so easy and affordable. Even Addie can do it. She loves making dinner for us. And here are our choices for the week. Every plate provides easy to follow recipe cards and pre-portioned ingredients. And everything is so yummy. What do you want to make today, Addie?
Today, I think I'm gonna make some cheesy black bean quesadillas.
Yum! All the ingredients that we need: black beans, pepper jack cheese, flour tortillas, green peppers, spice blend, and some sour cream. Here are the instructions.
First, I'm gonna thinly slice this green pepper.
We're adding some butter to a pot. Adding in our black beans. Southwest spice blend. Add some oil to a pan.
I'll take these peppers.
While Addie's sauteing the peppers, I'm mashing up the black beans.
So first, I'm gonna put down some of the beans. I'm gonna fold it.
Ooh. Oh, it's perfect. Adding some sour cream on the side. Yum, it looks so good. Good job, Addie.
Cheers.
So good. Try Every Plate for just $1.79 per meal by going to everyplate.com and entering the code TTJessica.